Did you happen to buy some cheap plywood and you end up with these giant gaps in the middle here? Now, aesthetically, it's pretty horrible and you could conceal it, but when you have something going there, let's say if you want to apply any pressure or anything like that, it's going to be a lot less of a strong bond there. So I'm going to show you now how to fix this up. You can patch it up, give it a little bit more structure, fill those gaps in, and hopefully hide the uglies if you need to, if this needs to be visible.